All right, good morning, wonderful students. I am here today, but I am out for a meeting this hour, so let's talk about your plans for the day. Our objective is to analyze the differences between folk and popular culture. On the agenda, we're going to wrap up that unbiased, reliable sources activity from yesterday, and then we are officially starting Unit 3. Remember, Unit 3 covers chapters 4, 5, and 6. So today we are going to take some notes on Chapter 4, Key Issue 1, and then I'll get you started on an activity that we will wrap up tomorrow in class. Homework reminders, that unbiased, reliable sources and fake news activity. I'm going to collect that from you guys on Monday. Chapter 4, Key Issue 3 is due Monday, and then Map Activity 6 is due on Monday as well. Don't forget to be working on Unit 3 vocab. A lot coming up for Monday, so please make sure that you're using your time wisely tonight and then over the weekend as well as in class today. So go ahead and take out your unbiased, reliable sources activity from yesterday. And then let's just kind of recap where we left off yesterday. So we defined unbiased and reliable. We came up with some examples for each of those. And then we spent some time making a T-chart and comparing fake news versus real news. I'm sorry, not a T-chart, a Venn diagram. Comparing fake news and real news and then what they each have in common. We talked about what is clickbait. We talked about what is satire. So just to recap, some key indicators here of fake news: any excessive punctuation, photoshopped pictures, if your emotional reaction is really strong, if you don't recognize the domain, there's no date, no author, the information is minimal and designed for easy sharing, if it makes a claim about telling a secret, no quotes, links, or references, you can't find a reputable source, the article has been widely shared, check out the About Us section. If it makes you skeptical, it probably shouldn't be trusted. You can't find evidence of the quotes used anywhere. If there's just kind of something in your head saying, you know what, maybe I shouldn't share this, or this story seems too good to be true, then there's a pretty good chance that it could be fake news. Now, I just want to mention, I think it's worth noting, that there's a difference between this is fake news and I don't agree with this opinion, right? It is unfair to claim that CNN or Fox News is fake news. What people, I think, mean when they're saying that is that it's not free of bias, right? There's a bias in this CNN article, or there's a bias in this Fox News article that I personally don't agree with. That does not mean it is fake news, right? These items that we just discussed, as well as the ones that we talked about yesterday, those are the key indicators of truly fake news. Okay, so now that we have a better idea of what is reliable, what is biased, what is unbiased, what is fake news, now I want us to go back and think about everything that we learned about immigration. I want you to make a claim about immigration, okay? Any claim. But you need to understand that a claim is a statement that can be proven with evidence. So you can make a claim, any claim that you wish about immigration, and then I want you to find two pieces of reliable and unbiased evidence to support this claim. Keep in mind that no human being, while they might be reliable, they cannot be unbiased. Every human being has bias. So you're going to make your claim, you're going to find two pieces of evidence that support the claim, and then you're going to cite that evidence. So I want like the title of the article and the actual website that it came from, as well as an explanation of how this piece of evidence proves the claim that you made about immigration. So I'm going to give you 10 minutes to get started on this right now. So you're going to want to try and get as far as you can get today in the 10 minutes that are provided. What you don't finish, you will have to finish up at home, and I'm going to collect this assignment from you on Monday. but we do have to move on. So I'm only going to give you 10 minutes now because we need to make sure we have enough time to get started on our Key Issue 4 notes. So you should have this handout in front of you. You can take out your Chromebook, make your claim, find your evidence, and explain how it supports your claim.